Legal and financial literacy for startups, avoiding mistakes that kills businesses. Startups don't usually die from bad ideas, they die from bad paperwork. This is the legal and financial literacy masterclass for startups, a crash course on how to avoid rookie mistakes that quietly kills great businesses. From choosing the wrong entity to ignoring tax, contracts, and IP, let's make sure your business isn't a legal time bomb waiting to explode. Legal and financial literacy for startups, avoiding mistakes that kill businesses. So there are some incorporation basics like sole proprietorship, LLC, and C-Corp. So the first mistake, not incorporating or choosing the wrong structure. Types explained. Sole proprietorship, fastest and riskiest. LLC, good for services, limited scale. C-Corp, preferred by venture capitalists. S-Corp, tax flexibility for US startups. If you are planning to raise money, deliver C-Corp is the standard. Co-founder agreement. Most status breaks ups are worse than divorces. Have the conversation early. Agreement must have equity split, roles and responsibility, vesting schedules, and exit clauses. Handshake deal doesn't scale. The IP ownership. If someone else can claim your IP, you don't really own your business. IP battle dramatizations. Key steps. Assign IP to the company, not individual. Use work for hire agreements for freelancers. Trademark your brand early. Register copyright for key content products. Content 101. Handshake deal gone wrong. Verbal agreement are nice until they are not. So the essential contracts, NDA, service agreements, term of service and privacy policy for products, employment contractor agreements. Tips. Use plain English plus templates. Don't overcomplicate early. Always define payments terms plus scopes. Taxes, compliances, and bookkeeping. Tax panic montage, late night bookkeeping. Ignore taxes. And you are not a startup, you are a liability. What to know? Track income plus expenses monthly. File quarterly taxes. Collect and remit sales tax. Know when you need a CPA. So the tools are QuickBooks, Zero, Pilot, Mercury, Stripe Atlas. Fundraising legality. Safe versus convertible notes versus price round. You raise money, congrats. Now do it legally. Key documents, safe agreements, simple agreement for future equity, convertible notes, debts that converts, price rounds, equity with valuations. So the legal checklist are filed with SEC, cap table updates, investor rights agreements, employments and labor laws, contractors versus employees, hiring your first team. There's a law involved. Understand differences. Employee versus contractor, IP ownership and confidentiality clauses, benefit and taxes. So the tips is classify correctly, misclassifications leads to big fines. Use offer letters and clear contacts. Equity and options plans, stock option pools by chart. Want to incentivize your team, you will need equity, done right. Terms to know, option pool, vesting and claims. 409 evaluation, exercise windows. The tools are Kata, Pulley, CapBase, data privacy and compliances. GDPR fines, cookie pop-ups, data breach, news headlines. Data laws are real, and ignorance isn't the defense. Know the basics: GDPR, CCPA, user consent requirements, privacy policies. And the tip is use third-party compliances tools. Collect minimal data and secure it. The tool, resources, and expert help. You don't have a legal or financial expert, but you need to know what you don't know. So the top resources are legal, Clerky, Stripe Atlas, Low Trades, accounting, Pilot, Bench, QuickBooks, incorporation, First Base, Cap Base, community, indie hackers, YC startup library. So the call to action: get contracts in place, talk to CPA or startup lawyer. Don't wing it, build with confidence. Startups are legal entities, treat them like it. Startups lie and die by what on paper. Do it right from day one and you will sleep better and scale faster. Next up, startup pivoting strategies. When to stick, when to shift, and how to survive the storm.